butt.
Ooh. Okay. Do it for real, buddy.
Hi, everybody. You want to say some soda? What's this?
What cup? What did you have in the
This
cup?
cup.
What did you have in it? Huh?
Nothing in it.
What did you have in it?
Soda.
Soda? It's soda. Soda. Oh, this is a mess. This is too bright. I'm never going to find the right light for in here.
Damn, looks like it's daylight in here.
I know.
Dad!
Yes! Don't follow me again. So don't get snatched around and
Knocked. Yeah.
should be holding right. Yeah. It'll be good enough for today anyway.
Yeah. Maybe it'll be better than the other light. I don't know. My freaking eyebrows disappear. Look. I don't have any fucking eyebrows when it's bright. They're gone.
I can see it.
Only because you've seen me in real life and you know where they're supposed to be.
Maybe, I don't know. But they're there. I can see.
You can see my eyebrows. You can't.
I can see them.
I can't, and I know where they're at. Oh, being blonde, the struggle is real. What are you smacking your belly for? Because you're fat? Buddha belly?
It's
Hey, watch this.
It's made for.
I know, watch this. Aaron, do it.
Hi, everybody, and
This is...
this is Ellen.
Tell them what you're drinking.
I'm liking soda. Had to.
Okay.
Look.
Mm.